Hey, what is up, my skinny survivors, and welcome back to another video on the Skinny Survivor channel. So today I'm super excited. I'm gonna share with you a full body workout that's gonna help you pack on more size, gain more weight, and gain your first 10 pounds of muscle. So I know you're excited to listen up. This full body workout is gonna be awesome to pack on size all around your body. You see, one of the biggest mistakes that skinny guys make, and I made myself, is overcomplicating things. In the beginning, you simply want something to follow, something effective, something that's gonna train each muscle group of yours 2 to 3 times a week, and something that's sustainable. You know, I made this huge mistake of overcomplicating things in the beginning. I thought the more advanced the program, the better results I have, right? Well, I went with this 6-day split. I tried it, I couldn't sustain it. I was extremely tired, I was burnt out, and I couldn't follow it. So that's why I'm gonna show you a very simple and effective workout you can follow, you can sustain, and that's gonna help you gain your first 10 pounds of muscle. So if you're new to this channel, maybe you don't know why I preach full body workouts for beginners and skinny guys who are looking to gain their first 10 to 30 pounds of muscle. Here's why. Full body workouts are great at developing your entire body through compound lifts. You see, one of the biggest mistakes skinny guys make is they go with isolations. Too many isolations is not gonna help you build a good base of muscle, and it's not gonna help you build a great physique. You see, with full body workouts, it allows you to train every single muscle in your body effectively in a short period of time. So you get your best bang for buck, you step out of the gym, and you've trained your entire body. So you only need to do 3 to 4 full body workouts a week, and you're gonna get great results. So listen, enough talking. Make sure to like and subscribe if you don't wanna miss any of my content, and let's get into this video. if you like this video and you want more full body workout ideas, make sure to go check out the videos on the right here. They're definitely gonna help you gain more muscle this month. That's it from me for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for any upcoming videos and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.